Hi, welcome to the Entrepreneur Classes channel. In today's video, we are going to look at how to start your online store on a budget. Shopify Starter Plan is a perfect solution. For just $5 per month, you can sell products on social media, share custom product link, and start earning online without building a website. It is a simple, affordable, and beginners friendly. So whether you are a side hustler or just start testing the water, Shopify make it easy for you to start today, to get started today. So start your Shopify's journey for just $5 per month. So Shopify starter plan can help you to create a simple store in a minute. Easy, no coding setup, perfect for sharing products across social media. So click the link below this video to get access to this page and start your free trial. So you can start free today. Just click on start, get started free. So try Shopify for free, no credit card required. So click link below to get access to this page where you can start your Shopify starter plan. So with this plan, you can sell your product. You can jump straight to selling. So with starter, your store is ready to go into with just a few clicks. All you need is towards an image and a slick description of the product or services you are selling. It is just that simple. So don't forget to click link below this video to start your free trial. So selling power for social. This starter help you to sell your products faster and easier on any social medias. So easily share product on Instagram, WhatsApp, or any else, providing customers quick and reliable transactions with Shopify checkout. So as you can see, you can monetize your link in bio. So want more way to sell on social? They create a link pop page in minutes that drives followers to your top product and content, all via your bio link. So this is very easy for you to quickly create your link in bio and sell your product. You can quickly share your product or any social media and WhatsApp and make sale very fast. So Shopify make it easy for you to create your product and sell it on your social media, sell it to your follower without any problem, without require any coding skill. So if you are looking for a way to start selling product on Shopify, then this is an opportunity for you to start your free trial you doesn't require credit card. Just click start free trial and start selling your products. So this video has helped you to understand how to get access to the Shopify starter plan and quickly create your simple store in a matter of a minute and start selling your product across all social media. So don't forget, click the link below this video to get access to this page and start free trial. Wish you the best of luck. If this video has helped you, please don't forget to like it and also subscribe to my channel for my next content. Thank you.